Hi guys, today we will be playing a classic on Roblox. So such a good game called Don't Press the Button 4. Now it may sound sick because I am uh yeah, let's play. I played this a lot when I was a little kid. It brings back so many memories. I remember one time I was with my dad and he said, just a bit till we leave Egan, and I was drinking this chocolate milk. And they seem to have added new thingies. As you can see, I have all these things. I feel like a person who lives in Roblox and he is just playing with his ball outside in a nostalgic area. There's no way to explain it, but Roblox is one of my most nostalgic games ever. I don't know how it works. But it's just different. Anyway, there it is. Yay, I found the button, haha. Easy noob. I bought all these, oops, with the coins in the game. I did not spend any Robux. Easy. I'm a Roblox pro, guys. I'm a Roblox sweat. I'm such a good at the game. Oh my god, he's so good at the game. Oh my god. I can't even see myself on this. Oh, there I am. Ah! It just missed me by like a thread. Skill issue. What? Yes, I've got the most. Told you I'm the king at this game. Yes, I told you I'm the king.